and we're exploring multiple disciplines simultaneously. We're looking at mental disorder from a philosophical perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a psychological perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a physics perspective. We're looking at mental disorders from a musical perspective, from a musical theoretical perspective, and we're also going to explore mental disorders from a linguistic perspective. We're also going to take the parapsychological phenomenon into consideration. We're going to take a psychopathological analysis. We're also going to take pathophysiological analysis. We're also going to study mental disorders from a neurological and a cognitive analysis. And last but not least, we are also going to explore the miscellaneous aspect of mental disorder, where we're going to take a number of different variables.
My infatuation is more within the context of,
like a geometric reference point for, it's like the geometric foundation for drawing.
Yeah. And what it's meant to do is replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere that has a one-point perspective, like a desert.